Normally, your remote should come to you pre-programmed for the right cable box, but in the unlikely event you need to reprogram your remote, here's how to program your remote to control your cable box. Step 1. First, determine the manufacturer of your cable box and look up the device code or codes used by that manufacturer by clicking on them up on the device code listing button on the right. If you can't find your device, click on the button at the right that says Device Not Found for further instructions. If you do find your device, write down all the possible codes on a piece of paper. You can press pause now while you do this, and then press play to go on to Step 2. Step 2. If you look at the top of the DRC 8000 remote, you will see 4 buttons labeled Audio, DVD VCR, TV, and Cable. Press and hold the cable button for at least 6 seconds. The cable button will light up and stay on. This indicates that remote is waiting for the device code to be entered for the cable box we are connecting to this button. Step 3. If you have more than one device code on your list, start with the first device code on the list. Slowly enter the 4-digit device code, 1 digit at a time. You have 10 seconds to enter each digit in the 4-digit code. If you entered a code the remote controller understands, the light under the cable button will blink 3 times to indicate success. Step 4. Test to see if the device code you entered will control the device. Point the remote control at the cable box and press the power button. If the cable box is off, it should turn on. If it's on, it should turn off. If the cable box turns off and on, then you have the right device code and you do not need to try any other codes. Step 5. If the cable box did not turn off or on, you need to repeat this same sequence for each of the device codes on your list until you find the one that works. Remember, press the cable button and hold for at least 6 seconds until the light under the button lights up. Enter the next 4-digit device code on your list. Wait for the remote to blink 3 times. And try the power button to see if you can turn the cable box off and on. Step 6. If you were able to get your cable box to go off and on, congratulations, you're finished. If nothing worked, then click the button that says Device Not Found for specific instructions on how to program a device under the heading Searching for Codes. If you're ready to program the next device, click Next Video, or select the next video on the subject you would like to view from the list of videos on the left. If you're done programming, click Finished, and you will be returned to the Self-Help homepage.